see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.
Lalaki ng eggs. Ito yung Ferrero. And then more here. Umalis muna ako dun sa chocolates. Hanapan ko muna si Holly ng toys. May gusto siya na parang ball. Something balls na may tawag siya dun. Ano kaya yun? Sana makita ko dito. Yun ang gusto niya makuha kay Easter Bunny. Nakalimutan ko yung tawag dun ni Holly. Hindi siya slimy. Na-squish din siya. Sana makita natin. Hindi rin yun Play-Doh. Na-form na siya ng ball. Tapos parang sobrang lambot niya din. Hindi squishy, may tawag siya eh. Parang wala dito. Ang cute nito. Mayroon silang yo-yo. Oh my God. Ay. Yung sa atin nun, ang yo-yo natin, yung kahoy. Kuhaan ko nito si Holly. Nag-search ako sa TikTok. Yung pangalan nung hinahanap ni Holly is Nido. So, hanapin ko yun. Yun yung sinasabi niya sa akin eh. Buti na lang. Nag-search tayo sa TikTok. Ang tanong, meron kaya dito sa Big W?
Moment in stock is there's nothing there.
Oh, you
Of
don't?
those things, yeah. So it's the cool cubes is the closest thing we've got because they were empty at the moment.
Oh, so you don't
So
have...
no, well, not right at this second. So, but there is some in transit today. So
Yeah, they
that-
need, yeah.
Yeah, so not till later this afternoon or tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Oh,
Yeah.
I have to come back.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
this one is... You don't have any?
No, we don't. No, that's what I mean. Yeah, there's none.
Is
but
that
there-
squishy as well?
Yes, correct. That's the closest thing you can see that we've
Yeah,
got to that. So,
yeah, okay.
yeah, there is another ticket as well, but I feel like that one might have gone deleted, and yes, it has.
Oh, it's
So yeah,
gone.
but yeah, maybe tomorrow.
Tomorrow,
Yeah, once
okay.
we've unpacked the truck. So.
Alright, okay.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I'm gonna come back. Thank you. Kaya pala wala na sila and eto daw yung closest kaso empty na rin. O, diba? Wala na. Ano to eh, mochi. Mochis. Siguro ko din ako ng isa. $6 to. Anong kulay kaya? Dagdag ko lang. Ay, bakit ba mga bata nahihilig sa mga ganito? Tayo noon, putik. Wala na. So, balik na lang ako dito bukas. Kasi wala. Yun talagang gusto ni Holly. Lagi niyang pinaparinig sa akin halos everyday. Na gusto niya makuha kay Bunny is yun nga, Nido. So, kuha ko nito for myself. Akin to. Kainin ko later. Minsan lang ako mag-chocolate. Meron pala akong kinuha para dun sa apo ni Auntie Mel, dun sa pamangkin namin. Ayan, ang cute. Set siya. Ang cute. Tapos may doll na maliit. Big W. Na-pick up ko na si Holly. Nandun siya sa dance lesson niya kanina pa. And ngayon, si Kuya naman, pipick upin ko. Then, after dito, balik ako dun sa dance class ni Holly para siya naman yung pick upin ko. Si John, di ba, ang reporter. Si John, nandun kay Sak kasi si Sak din meron siyang footy training sa Bay. So, kami dito kami sa town. And 10 minutes tapos na si Kuya. 5:30 kasi hanggang 5:30 si Kuya. Si Holly hanggang 6. So, yan guys. And nandito yung napamili ko sa Big W. Bukas balik ulit ako dun. Yan na si Kuya. So right after ng school niya, class niya, diretso siya dito. sumabay siya dun sa papa or yung kasama niya rin na nagtitraining dito. Kasi classmate niya naman yung yung anak nun. Anak. Oh. So, dito na ulit tayo sa Big W. May dala na akong basket. Kasi today din na kayo kukuha ng chocolates para kay Holly. Kasi siya lang naman yung mag-hunt. Then, tingnan natin kung meron na sila yung nido or yung similar lang doon. Hopefully meron kahit pa paano. Dahil yun talagang gusto ni Holly girl. Okay, sana meron. Walang stock. Wala pa din. Sabi ni ate girl, ngayon daw. Hapon na wala pa din. Hindi na't maugusan na ako dito. Walay. Ay. Wala, ito na lang. 3 plus 2 eh. Hindi na to sa kanya. Ano naman siya na squish. Then mamaya, may 30 minutes lang ako dito kasi susunod ko na siya. Stretchy. Diggity dog. Ito na. Ito kasi nahihilig niya ngayon eh. Wala man lang. Ay, sayang naman. Jelly bear. Meron pang isa dito. Jelly bear naman to. Kunin natin tong nag-iisa. Pwede nyo naman to pisil-pisilin. Pisil-pisil naman siya. Yung smushy me set. Ito yun. Ito yun, di ba? Meron na tayo nito. Pixel cube. Ano ba itong mga pinapauso? Sanrio. Ano naman to? Huwag na yan. May nagbukas nito. So, yan yung nakuha natin dito. Okay, sa books. Kasi si Holly nahihilig siya magbasa ng mga libro. Amelia. Cheesy Heart. Ang cute naman ito. Ito si Tanya. Sunny and Storm. Ito yung gusto ni Holly. So sabi ni Holly gusto niya Oreo. Kuhaan natin din yung boys. Ito, Sour Patch. Para kay kuya naman. Sorry. Kuha tayo nitong bunny hat. Kit. Para may activity si Holly. So, hindi na ako kukuha nito kasi hindi naman nila kinakain. Last time, ginamit ko siya sa baking, yung mga ganito. At saka yung ibang eggs. Okay, self-check out. Siyempre, uso na to dito. Pa tayo ng bag. 30 cents. So, mag-shopping ng chocolates. Dito naman tayo sa Baker's Delight. Pumunta rin pala ako sa Coast. Doon ako nagkuha ng ibang chocolates. Ayan. Mag-ano tayo, hot cross bun. Kasi pag Easter lang nila to binigyan. Where are we going?
Arena.
What are we gonna do here?
Fashion parade once. The sun.
Punta kami dito kasi malapit na yung fashion parade nila. So dito sila, yung group niya dito naka-assign na kukuha ng damit. Pwedeng bilhin, pwedeng hiramin. Pag hiniram, iiwan sa kanila. Tapos, yung teacher nila ang kukuha. So siguro hiram lang kasi ang dami niya ng damit. Okay, we're gonna... Look good, the shorts. Yeah, but someone's already have that one. So you have to choose. Kunti lang ang selection nila dito. Yung iba sa cotton on. Last year sa cotton on sila. Baba, you have this one. Remember? You have that one. Ang ganyan siya, di ba? Nakita nyo na yun. Okay, meron na siya yan. You got that. So now, go to... Yes, it looks like the same. Different color. This jeans and this one, Baba. Look. Because it's cold now and have like that. No, oh my God. And you have this one already. Remember?
That's too big.
Yeah, but you already have that one. We're just doing circle here, Baba. You have to choose. Ito yung sinukat ni Holly. Ito yung gustong-gusto niya. Sabi ko, same lang yan nung rip curl mong. Ito yung gray. Ayan. Sabi ko, ito, try mo. So try na. So what? Am I right? See, told you.
And because I'm wearing it like that, and I want, because it has to all be arena. I'm gonna try this top one, but I can't wait to clean it.
I told you many times, but you don't listen to me. Just put that on top. Yeah. And then try that one.
I got the clean it.
Mag-model-model lang din sila doon, tapos sasayaw-sayaw ng yung sayaw nila. Or maybe white. Maybe white. Maybe. Check it.
Yes.
Wala kasi masyadong choices. Yan lang. I know, someone gusto niya sa mag-squirt. Pero meron na nakakuha niyan. No, it's alright.
Like with this.
Try niyo to. Oh man, that blue, it's better.
No.
Ano? Bring it to the girl. Okay. Okay, we're done here. Tapos na siya magpili. Iniwan na namin doon kasi hindi namin bibilhin. Pag binili mo, pwede mo siyang iuwi. Pag hindi, kailangan mo siyang iwan doon. Come on. Zach. Come on. Zach, come on. Easter Bunny's here. Siya na lang yung nagahan. Yung ito, ayaw na. Where's the boys?
Let's go see if the Easter Bunny.
Did he finish?
No, I invited him home. There's Isaac.
Hi, God. Si Kuya ayaw na. Here's Zach, you miss it, Zach. Ah, this is strategic. Zach, you got this one, huh? I know.
Wow!
Oh.
It's the Sour Patch in there.
Sour Patch?
It's not gonna fit in there. I'll hold it. Why were they on the shelf?
Come on. Oh, there's one here too.
Who's that? Who is it?
Check. You check.
That's mine.
Oh, maybe that's Kuya Sak. Maybe that's Kuya Sak, the Sour Patch.
Yeah, maybe that's it.
There's one more here, Sally. There's one more here, Sally.
It's all mushed.
Oh, there's squash. It's alright. Sak, there's one more there now. Where's Kuya TJ?
It's so heavy. Feel how heavy it is.
Go check it, Mama.
Oh my god, look what's it.
For Kuya. Uy, ba na? That's pretty. Happy Easter na. Oh, what? What's inside?
It's a big squishy. And I got another squishy.
Oh, squishy.
And I got another squishy. Donut. And I got another squishy. What's that? Yo-yo. And I got another squishy.
Oh my god. So you have to put that in your... What's that?
We gotta build it.
Ah,
It says build me.
build in the shed. How was it, Zaki boy?
Dad.
Give that to Dad. That's a good one, I think.
Yeah.
Happy Easter, guys.
Oh, that's for one.
Ah, let Kuya Sak try.
Oh, it's so cold.
Oh, it's cold.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe Easter Buddy came so early last night.
Yeah.
Ah, this is
I
nice.
told you it comes at night.
It depends, maybe. I'm not sure.
And that ice cream goes there. Where'd my other one go?
Ah, there.
Oh.
I want this one. Try that one. Let Kuya Sak open it.
It's been worn out.
There. Oh. I thought you have that one, Baba.
No.
No? You haven't have that one.
No.
Oh, it's Satan.
Oh.
Oh, it's not. Oh, makes sense. Whoa, you. Oh.
I also got another one. It's a stretchy.
Yeah, open that one, Kuya.
This one?
Yeah, open that one. I want to know what's that.
Yo-yo.
Mmm.
I guess I'm gonna put all of these in my. Where is my? Oh, in my top.
Meron siya lagyan na ng toys. Ready na siya.
What happened?
And how about the other one? Ayan, yung clock na nabilin namin. How many years now? About 3 years?
Yeah.
3 years. Ngayon yun na lang. Ngayon niya palang malalagyan ng batteries. Malalagay niya yun dun sa shed.
Dada.
I think that's the right one, Han.
Dad, do this.
You gotta open the other bit there.
Oh, 3. That's the right batteries.
Like it. It's a hot diggity dog.
You know it's right?
Yeah. You know the thing is, right?
Is it?
Yeah.
The hook,
6:58, babe.
Oh, Holly, get my phone.
7 o'clock will make it.
Okay, 7. See, that's the right time. Because we never changed that clock. Kaya yan na yung tama.
No, it's so bouncy. That's
Going down
it.
in
Guys,
like-
this is for my
So,
dad
yeah?
because he loves it.
Oh, whoopee!
Oh, that's all.
How, wait, how are we gonna stack him?
We gotta break them up.
So this is the finished result. Got the chocolate bunny We got a carrot, a peppermint, and another, well, that's a leaf, but the flavor's peppermint. Another carrot, another peppermint.
But it doesn't taste good.
Good. No. And we got. Why is there 4
you know.
carrots in there?
Because Easter Bunny loves carrots.
That's right.
And peppermint here, peppermint here, peppermint here.
Na-break niya na. Ayan na yung malaking eggs. Yan ang almusal nila.
The chocolate.
How you use it well? You have to do other side first.
Hello guys. Let's. Got a basketball. I don't sit. Pick up. Guys, it's so fun here. Look, I got a basketball hoop. I bring my squishies. I got chocolate eggs to eat. And water the plants. And since it is a nice and also beautiful weather, we can play outside and go on this really, really long grass. Not long grass, I mean it's long. Let's go to my mum and dad.